Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody asked a question on Facebook, how to remove certain guidelines. Well, somebody's already answered them. All you have to do is click on it and hit delete. But that, if you have a lot of them, another way you could do it, let's bring in one more. And let's go to, well, first of all, you can turn your guidelines on or off if they're just bugging you. You can actually go up to view and turn them off, or go up to view and turn them on. But what the video is about, go to Windows, Dockers, and Guidelines, and you get a guideline docker. So we have 2 that are horizontal and 5 or whatever. So let's say we want to get rid of every other one. So I'm going to click on that, hold down the control button, and then just click on every other one, and then delete them. They're in order by measurement, so it's kind of easy to see. If you want to delete them all this way, you could click on that one, hold down the shift key, and that'll select all those, and then you can hit delete, and you only have the horizontal ones left. Now, it's make sure your page is set on 0, 0, because this is this one right here, which is -9, where that one's -15 because it's going downhill. So it's a little bit different than the other guidelines that are, in inches and plus. I mean, that one's 3, that one's 10, that one's, whatever. And we want to just delete these 2. Probably easier not even open up the Docker, but you could click on that one, hold down your control button, click on that one, and hit delete. Anyway, I hope that helps somebody someday, and thank you for watching.